Hey everybody, it's Tracy. I'm back with another video today. Today's video, I just got the Holiday Card Magic class kit from Scrapbook and Cards today in the mail when I got home today. So let's open it and see what's in it. I have not peeked at anything, so this is completely blind. All right, so we get this pretty cute pouch for storage. I like that. Pouch is, let's see, 10 by 12. That's a nice size. Holiday Magic on there. Zipper top. Super cute. And then looks like we've got some cardstock and a bunch of other goodies. All right. I like the pouch. That's going to come in handy for storage. So this is the class, Holiday Magic, which is in just under 2 weeks' time. I hope you're signed up too. This is the first one I'm doing. Here's the stamp set. Let's see, we've got some... That's cute. Little sleigh. Deck the halls. We've got some stars. I'm not sure what that is. There's some kind of scallops. This obviously berries maybe for the holly or mistletoe. A couple sentiments. That's cute. Big die set. What do we got? Wow, double-sided die. All right. So we've got Warm Wishes, Magic. Okay. I wonder if, does this coordinate? No, it doesn't look like it does with any of those. So we've got some other greenery. That's cute. It's kind of folksy. This must be the outline for this. And then we've got a couple little houses here with some different roofs. And maybe those are the doors and windows for the houses. Yep, here's the inside. That's cute. Maybe this is for this for a sentiment. For one of these maybe. Believe in the magic. Yeah, that's cute. That seems like it might fit. That is cute. I like that that one's curved there. That's probably for, yeah, that one fits. Oh, that's cute. I like that. And then this is, oh, fireplace builder. That is cute. Fireplace. We've got our mantelpieces, a couple candles, menorah, insert for the fire. Mittens, those are cute. Some garland. Oh, I like the little stocking there. That's cute. Am I saying cute enough? These look like some little books to stack with a couple outlines. And then maybe that's a picture frame or something. And then some little guys to decorate everything. Not really sure what those two are for though. Maybe for, no, that doesn't look like it would fit the inside of the mitten. Not sure what those guys go for. That is fun. I really like the mittens. I think I'm gonna use the mittens a lot. All right, what else? We have, let's see, Scrapbook and Cards Today front. So this is little hearts, zigzag pattern. What do we got here? This is also front Christmas trees. I wonder if this is like a building background. We've got some trees. Oh. some trees here. That's interesting. Oh, I like this one. Mittens. I'm big into mittens. That's fun. Oh, this must be for the fireplace. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. For the fireplace, and I don't know, is that for the garland maybe? Looks too big. Looks a little too big. Maybe that's just some additional if you want for the fireplace. And then a couple trees down there. Oh, here are the positives from the other guy. So they give you both sides of that. So you can do both types of ink blending. Okay. Front. Marshmallows? I don't really know what this is supposed to be here. I wonder if this coordinates with these other guys at all. Okay. So this would do these circles for the mittens. Alright, the muffs, got it. That's fun. And then we've got some snowflakes for, okay, for the other part of the negative. So yeah, those go in between there. So that's a whole set. Kind of wish these were labeled a little better, but I can always write on them myself. So it looks like this goes together as maybe a 3-piece stencil. Let's look at the card. Yeah, for our mittens. And then I wonder if this is a different part for the mittens as well. Okay, this does the pattern for the mittens, I see. Yeah, that would be good to have a little more labeling. Maybe I'm just a little slow there. I don't know. And then these two guys, so 4-piece set. And the trees, do they go with this other stencil maybe? Okay. Some snow for the trees, perhaps? If you wanted to do some snow for those guys. And then maybe this would do a little detail for some of those, or I just imagine that's for that guy. Alright. That's fun. And then looks like we got a bunch of white cardstock. Gold, kind of like a matte gold. Acetate. Piece of vellum. Sorry, wow, that's not gold, that's silver. This is gold. Silver and gold and acetate. And then more white. This feels a little heavier. So maybe this is the base. Yeah. And these are the layers. So maybe about 10 pieces of cardstock each. Class was $77 US, and I believe that included shipping. Because it was, I don't know, an extra 15 or 20 for shipping. Which, considering they shipped it from Buffalo and I'm in Buffalo, to me was a bit pricey, but I know that these die sets are expensive these days, so I'm sure this is easily $50 to $75 worth of dies right here. I don't know what companies are involved here in making the dies. I have a feeling that I'm going to use some of these quite a bit, especially the mittens and the little stockings. So that's the kit. Class is on the 26th. Here's the stamp set again. Class is on the 26th, and I hope to see some people there that I know, recognize some names perhaps. Hope you like the video, subscribe, click like, yada yada. All right, be good, do good, go Bills, bye.